Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you some paintings that I made. I'm kind of excited because I started doing the paint by number and realized like I really love painting. So I kind of wanted to do it kind of like on my own, but still follow a tutorial. This one here is one that I followed a tutorial from Bob Ross, and it came out definitely not like his, but somewhat. I try to follow it as much as I can. But I still think it came out pretty good for it to be my like first one. And let me just show you the trees. I think my favorite part is like the grass. These trees over here are a little scrawny, but and his tutorial I think was called like Sunset Aglow or something like that. I'll put the link in the description bar. Again, it looks nothing like his. I try to somewhat kind of recreate it, but not so much. And after I did this one, I was like, I really wanted to do another one. And to me, it's very relaxing just to sit there and paint. And this one, I did it while watching him. So I learned the little tips from him here and there. I will definitely make another one. I noticed with him, he has a lot of like sceneries and stuff. Beautiful. But this was my first one. Then I wanted to create another one. And this one is following a different YouTuber. And I'll put the link in the description bar for this one too. And this one I love. The tree itself is not identical as the one that I followed. My tree, for some reason, I made it kind of too round, but I think it still came out cute. Let me show you a close-up of the grass. Love the grass, right? Like, that's what I think my favorite part. Little mountain there, the clouds, and my pink tree. And this is like the little like a tire where you just like swing back and forth. So this one here, I have it already in my craft room, and I think it came out really cute. But yeah, just a quick video. Wanted to show you my little paintings. I'm kind of hooked. I need to buy more canvases because I definitely want to make more. But that's it. Just a quick tutorial. And I definitely have to, I have to do so many projects, but my room is freezing. That's why I've been painting downstairs in the living room. But I definitely will come back with some project shares. But until then, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.